Hi cooking cronies, Diana here. Today I made a fresh peach pie. The peaches came to me via my dad who got them off of his tree, and I needed to use them, so I baked a pie and then put 4 pints into my freezer. So let me share with you the recipe that I have. From all recipes, I'm going to share with you my fresh peach pie recipe. Now I'm using pre-made pie pastry, and today I'm using the King Super brand since that's what I had in my refrigerator. This recipe is for a 4-inch peach pie. So you're going to need 1 package of the pie pastry that is a double pie. So you're going to have the bottom crust and the top crust. 1 egg beaten, 5 cups of sliced peeled peaches, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar or 1 cup of Splenda, and that's what I'm using today, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to preheat my oven to 450 degrees. First of all, I'm going to line my 9-inch pie pan with one of the pie crusts. I lightly roll the pie crust out just to make it a little thinner. And then I'm going to lightly brush it with the egg, with the beaten egg. And this prevents the crust from becoming soggy later on. So once I've brushed the pie crust, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to place the peaches in a large bowl, and I'm going to sprinkle them with lemon juice, and I'll mix them gently. In a separate bowl, I will mix together the sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, and I will whisk that together to mix it well. Then I'll pour it over the peaches and mix until it's well combined. Then I'll pour the peaches into the pie crust and dot it with butter. Cover the filling with the remaining crust and then flute the edges. And you can either flute them or you can use a fork and to seal the pie crust. And then brush the egg on top of the pie crust. And make sure that you're not cutting the slits before you add the egg because it will fill the slits. So add brush the egg on and then cut the slits, and that allows steam to escape. Then bake the pie in the preheated oven for 10 minutes at 450. After 10 minutes, change the heat to 350 and bake for another 35 to 40 minutes. If halfway through the baking, if the crust is getting too brown, cover it with foil, or I have the silicone pie crust covers that I use, and continue baking your pie. And you'll know it's done when it's a golden brown and the juices have bubbled. Remove it from the oven and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes before cutting it. Otherwise, you'll lose all the juice from the pie. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and it's been fun making it for you. Have a great day. God bless.